రా మెటీరియల్ ఈ పిఆఫ్ఎల్ నుంచి మిషన్లో ఎక్కిస్తారు. మిషన్లో ఎక్కించిన తర్వాత ఆటోమేటిక్ సెమీ ఆటోమేటిక్ మిషన్, ఇది సెయిలింగ్ సెమీ ఆటోమేటిక్ మిషన్. ఇది అయిపోయిన తర్వాత 5 feet సెట్టింగ్ ఎంత పెడతామో అంత కరెక్ట్గా ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఇది అవుతుంది. సెట్టింగ్ పర్పస్ 5 feet అంటే 5 feet పెట్టచ్చు, 3 feet అంటే 3 feet పెట్టచ్చు, 4 feet అంటే 4 feet పెట్టచ్చు. కట్ అయిన మెటీరియల్ తీసుకొచ్చి అట్లా జమ చేసిన తర్వాత మాన్యువల్గా వీవింగ్ చేసి అయిపోయిన తర్వాత అక్కడ బెండింగ్ చేస్తారు. అది బెండింగ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత రోలింగ్ చేసేస్తారు. ఇట్లా రోలింగ్ చేసి అట్లా పెట్టేస్తారు.
I am Bharat Veer, Managing Director of Adya Industries, a small-scale industry which has been started in 2010. I am experienced in this line of manufacturing of welded mesh, GI mesh, welded fabrics, chain link mesh. These products are having a very wide application in the market, in the day-to-day life. Right from the domestic to the industrial work for infrastructure, industries, heavy industries, small scale industries, or wide application. Now, this particular product is in 3 parts. One is welded mesh, which is manufactured from mild steel and GI steel. And second is fabric, which is a specialized item. We are pioneers in starting this fabric material, which is replacing the rooftop steel requirements. Apart from the used in the World Bank schemes like irrigation projects, in irrigation pipelines, etc. And the third product we make is GI chain link, which is mostly towards the agriculture application. Apart from that, for land fencing, protection, demarcation of the boundaries, and these products are required by almost everybody, from middle class, lower class to the high level. Apart from that, from the industries, from small industries to the heavy industries, multinational companies. By virtue of my experience, we have divided our market into 3 parts. One is dealers network in entire South India. Second, supplying to the contractors of municipalities, infrastructure companies and MHAs. Turnkey projects of fixing fencings for big lands, more particularly for the solar industries, big industries and MNC companies. And now we are making about only 70% of the product range in our industry. In future, in coming couple of years, we wanted to expand and also add the 30% product requirements. As far as the finances is concerned, my industry today, the capital investment is to an extent of 2 crores, apart from the working capital margins and everything. And my turnover, the installed capacity is more than 250 tons per month, with the revenues of about nearly 8 to 10 crores per year. At present, we have touched already 6 to 7 crores. By virtue of adding some more product of 30% balance products, we are sure to reach more than 12 to 15 crores in coming 1 year. Future is concerned, this is a non-replaceable item. This is a core sector product which is required right from the domestic to the construction. The replacement for this product is not there because of steel. The steel is the basic requirement for the construction, for infrastructure and in day-to-day utility of domestic also. So, being a core sector item, this will have a perpetual demand, and to meet the requirements and to be in the competitive, we have to be very innovative in creating more new products, more applications, adaptabilities, depending upon the technical developments in the world. Once we are with the tune of technical developments and adapt the product to be implemented in our country, it will have a very good future. Recently, there is a lot of changes in the construction activity, technology, utility. To meet this requirement, we need to have specialized machines to manufacture fabrics above 6 mm. Today we are making the fabrics up to 6 mm. Once we add the facility above 6 mm to 10 mm, we will be replacing the labor requirement for the rooftops and the road highways, etc. Now crude coil rod is used, whereas once this machinery is available, it will be designed as per the length and breadth of the rooftop, and we can just fix it and just concrete, which will reduce the cost of the labor, time.